Navigating toward implementation, highlights of the 13th GST Council Meeting. Greetings, knowledge seekers. Join us as we unravel the outcomes of the 13th GST Council Meeting, held on 31st March 2017, chaired by Finance Minister Arun Jaitley. This meeting, with its pivotal decisions, sets the stage for the impending GST implementation. Let's dive into the key highlights that emerged from this significant gathering. Fine-tuning the framework. The 13th GST Council meeting was all about refining the GST framework. The Council embraced amendments to 5 crucial categories: registration of taxpayers, payment of tax, debit and credit notes, filing of returns, refunds, and invoices. These amendments align with the GST bills recently passed by the Lok Sabha. Towards a seamless transition, the Council also gave its tentative approval to draft rules concerning several critical aspects. These included the composition scheme, valuation of supply of goods and services, the transition process for migrating to the GST regime, and input tax credit. These tentative nods indicate a progressive stride toward a smoother transition. Draft rules in focus. The spotlight shone on the initial 5 sets of draft rules that had already been approved. However, these rules needed adjustments to align seamlessly with the provisions of the GST Act. The Finance Minister, Arun Jaitley, emphasized the importance of these revisions to ensure congruence with the Act. Steering toward finalization. The Council's agenda indicated an impending milestone. 4 more sets of draft rules, encompassing GST input tax credit, valuation, transitional provisions, and the composition scheme, received tentative approval. These drafts will soon be available to the public for suggestions before final approval. This iterative approach reflects the Council's commitment to a robust framework. Next hurdle and conclusion. The roadmap ahead is clear. The Council's next meeting, scheduled for May 18 to 19, 2017, in Srinagar, will be monumental. This gathering will finalize the 4 sets of draft rules that have received tentative approval. Moreover, the Council will deliberate and decide on the rate structure for individual commodities, a step that carries immense significance in the GST journey. The countdown to transformation. As we wrap up our journey through the 13th GST Council meeting, it's evident that the gears of change are turning at full tilt. With 5 sets of draft rules already in the pipeline and 4 more heading for finalization, the government's commitment to a 1st July 2017 implementation of GST is palpable. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to stay abreast of these transformative developments. Stay curious, and let's march together into a new era of taxation.